So yesterday, I had a problem with the old girl back there. And basically what happened was I was on my way to my wife's work because I forgot my vape in her car. And we went to lunch and everything. It was cool. Had a good time. Had some lunch with some of her coworkers and stuff. And she called me up, told me that my vape was left in her car. And I was on my way to go get it. And then after that, I was going to pick up Jimmy from school. Well, on the way to get her, one of the heater core hoses blew out. And the truck shut down. So, you know, it is what it is. It's got to be fixed now. But I had a family friend of mine come over. I was pulling the plugs, trying to look at the plugs and, you know, kind of assess the situation. And he gave me kind of a reason why it may have stalled out, and I can't get it started. You always got to listen to the old dogs because they know. He said that when that hose blew out and all that steam and moisture blew around in the engine compartment, it's probably a little windy too, so you'll probably have to deal with wind noise. But he said that when all that steam and moisture was moving around inside the engine compartment, moisture got inside the distributor. And he said all you have to do is dry it out, and he said it should kick over. He said he pretty much guaranteed that's the problem. So any of you mechanics out there, let me know. Let me know if he's on the money with that, or if it could be something else. The only thing is, I'm not just going to wipe it out. You got to understand, this truck sat for 2 years before I started driving it, so I'm going to replace all the hoses and get the spark plugs, spark plug wires, distributor cap and rotor. I'm going to replace all that, and hopefully that'll fix the problem. But what's today? Today's Tuesday. This happened yesterday. Yesterday was Monday. I don't get paid till Friday, so it's going to sit here for a little bit. And you know, maybe he's right. Maybe it'll dry out and it'll be fine. I don't know. But I'm still going to change all that stuff on Friday, but I can't do it until I get paid. So it is what it is. All right, so there's the top of the engine right there. You can tell there's moisture, or there was moisture all over it. And down inside there, I can't even see the shit from this side, but the distributor's right there. So I gotta take all this crap off the top to get to it, but hopefully that fixes the problem. And this right here, this is the hose that blew out, and this hose right here, I don't know if this is the inlet or the outlet. There's the other one right there, but yeah, I'm not sure if that's the inlet or outlet hose. But all these two hoses, I'm going to replace these, and I'm going to replace the upper and lower radiator hoses, and like I said, spark plugs, wires, and distributor cap and rotor. You know, it'd probably be a good idea to do an oil change on this bad girl too, so I don't know, we'll have to see. But like I said, I can't do that till Friday. Well, always listen to the old guys. That's all it took, just drying out the distributor. So if you have that problem, you have a hose blowout, and your vehicle shuts down, chances are you got moisture in your either in your coil pack or in your distributor. There you go, guys. Friday I will be changing that stuff out though, but I'm glad she's running. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. We'll catch you next time. And remember, always listen to the old guys. All right, guys, take it easy.